I'm going to walk around it so you will have a good feeling for how it is before I close it. It is built for 12 cells, so you will see that for instance the tracks are longer than needed, plus we have extra inlet and outlet for the hot water to heat up the cells. And here's the hydraulic unit. And here's the other side.